Hi, kids. How are you doing?
Fine!
Great! Today we will learn the alphabet. Are you ready?
Yes!
Let's go!
The letters of the alphabet, we use them every day. When we talk and when we read and when we write and play.
Let's learn the ABC.
ABC, ABC.
Let's learn the ABC
Of the alphabet.
Let's begin with letter A. A is for alligator.
Alligator, alligator.
A is for airplane. Airplane, airplane. A is for Andy.
Andy, Andy.
Now we go with letter B.
B is for bear, bear, bear.
B is for book. Book, book.
B is for Brianna, Brianna, Brianna.
It's the turn for letter C.
C is for cat, cat, cat.
C is for car. Car, car.
C is for Charlie, Charlie, Charlie.
Congratulations! We just learned the letters A, B, and C. Want to continue learning?
Yes!
Awesome! Let's learn the D, E, F, D, E, F, D, E, F. Let's learn the D, E, F
Of the alphabet.
Let's begin with letter D.
D is for dog, dog, dog.
D is for daddy. Daddy, daddy, daddy. D is for daisy.
Daisy, Daisy.
Now we go with letter E. E is for elephant.
Elephant, elephant.
E is for egg. Egg, egg, egg. E, E, E is for Ethan. Ethan, Ethan. It's the turn for letter F.
F is for fish, fish, fish.
F is for fruit. Fruit, fruit.
F is for faith, faith, faith.
Congratulations! We just learned the letters D, E, and F. Want to continue learning?
Yes!
Awesome! Let's learn the G-H-I, G-H-I, G-H-I. Let's learn the G-H-I
Of the alphabet.
Let's begin with letter G.
G is for giraffe,
Giraffe, giraffe. G is for glue. Glue, glue.
G is for Gabriel, Gabriel, Gabriel.
Now we go with letter H.
H is for horse, horse, horse.
H is for house.
House, house. H is for Haley, Haley, Haley.
It's the turn for letter I.
I is for iguana, iguana, iguana.
I is for island. Island, island.
I is for Ivan, Ivan, Ivan.
Congratulations! We just learned the letters G, H, and I. Want to continue learning?
Yes!
Awesome! Let's learn the JKL, JKL, JKL. Let's learn the JKL
Of the alphabet.
Let's begin with letter J.
J is for jaguar, jaguar, jaguar.
J is for juice,
Juice,
juice.
juice, juice, juice.
J is for jasmine, jasmine, jasmine. Now we go with letter K. K is for koala, koala.
Cola, 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 cola.
K is for key, 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 key. K is for Kevin, Kevin, Kevin. It's the turn for letter L.
L is for lion, lion, lion.
L is for lamp, 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 lamp. L is for letters J, K, and L. Want to continue learning?
Yes!
Awesome! Let's learn the M and O, M and O, M and O. Let's learn the M and O of the alphabet. Let's begin with letter M. M is for monkey, monkey, monkey. M is for mommy, 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 mommy. M is for Matthias, Matthias, Matthias. Now we go with letter N. N is for nutria, 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 nutria. N is for nature, nature, nature. N is for Nancy, Nancy, Nancy. It's the turn for letter O. O is for owl, owl, owl. O is for orange, 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 orange. O is for Oliver, Oliver, Oliver. Congratulations! We just learned the letters M, N, and O. Want to continue learning?
Yes!
Awesome! Let's learn the PQR, PQR, PQR. Let's learn the PQR of the alphabet. Let's begin with letter P. P is for panda, panda, panda. P is for park, 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 park. P is for Phoebe, 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 Phoebe. Now we go with letter Q. Q is for quail, quail, quail. Q is for queen, queen, queen. Q is for Quentin, 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 Quentin. It's the turn for letter R. R is for rabbit, rabbit, rabbit. R is for rocket, 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 rocket. R is for Rachel, 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 Rachel. Congratulations! We just learned the letters P, Q, and R. Want to continue learning?
Yes!
Awesome! Let's learn the STU, STU, STU. Let's learn the STU of the alphabet. Let's begin with letter S. S is for sheep, sheep, sheep. S is for spoon, spoon, spoon. S is for Samuel, Samuel, Samuel. Now we go with letter T. T is for tiger, tiger, tiger. T is for table, 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 table. T is for Tiffany, Tiffany, Tiffany. It's the turn for letter U. U is for Uriel, Uriel, Uriel. U is for umbrella, umbrella, umbrella. U is for Ulysses, Ulysses, Ulysses. Congratulations! We just learned the letters S, T, and U. Want to continue learning?
Yes!
Awesome! Let's learn the VWX, VWX, VWX. Let's learn the VWX of the alphabet. Let's begin with letter V. V is for vulture, vulture, vulture. V is for village, village, village. V is for Vivian, Vivian, Vivian. Now we go with letter W. W is for wolf, wolf, wolf. W is for watch, watch, watch. W is for William, William, William. It's the turn for letter X.
X is for X-ray tetra, X-ray tetra, X-ray tetra.
X is for xylophone, xylophone, xylophone. X is for Zena, Zena, Zena. Congratulations! We just learned the letters V, W, and X. Want to continue learning?
Yes!
Awesome!
Let's learn the Y and Z, Y and Z, Y and Z. Let's learn the Y and Z of the alphabet.
Let's begin with letter Y.
Y is for yak, yak, yak.
Y is for yard, yard, yard. Y is for Yannick, Yannick, Yannick. Now we go with letter Z.
Z is for zebra, zebra, zebra.
Z is for zoo, zoo, zoo. Z is for Zoe,
Zoe, Zoe.
Congratulations! We just learned the letters Y and Z. And that completes the alphabet. Now, let's sing together.
The letters of the alphabet, we use them every day. When we talk and when we read and when we write and play.
See you later, buddies.
Great work!
Keep learning and keep growing healthy.
Bye!